Hey guys, Marcellus here with Buckeye Goldens coming at you with this little stunner. His name is Bodhi. Bodhi scored a 2.5 on the bull hard test. Very gorgeous little guy. Tends to be a little more on the outgoing side, and yeah, he's going to be very interactive, engaging, smart little fella for sure. You can see his tail going there. He's very interactive, loves being with people. If you're looking for an outgoing, lovely golden personality, this is your boy. So this is Mr. Bodhi. He is a fantastic little guy, and yeah, he's going to love you with all of his heart.
Oh my goodness.